Hi and welcome. This is Frank from Vital Plus. I just want to quickly go over the things that you may be able to access through our Nimue Share folder. So once I click on it, I send you a shareable link, and this link that it generates gives you access to everything that's in the folder. So if I click on it, you'll see that this folder is divided into subfolders. One on education, one on different images and posters, logo. Obviously, you understand what these are. And depending on what you're looking for, you should be able to find everything within that Nimue Share. All this material that we have here are things that we've been given by Ascendus, the manufacturer in South Africa. And of course, we're happy to share all of this with you. To have a quick look, under education, there's also subfolders because there's so much that goes towards education, and you might like to see a video or have a look at a webinar that's been recorded. There's many things that you'll see. There's a ton of things that you can look at. If, for example, you're getting a new staff, you might like them to start watching videos. There are short versions, there are long versions, and all you need to do once you're there is simply click on what you want, or double click, and then up comes the video.
The 35% laconic treatment is for advanced.
We won't get into that now, but yes, so there you have the various folders that give you various things. The before and after is fantastic. It has some great images of before and after treatments. You could easily print that and have it in your waiting room to show your clients what they can expect when they start getting treatments with Nimue. So all of that is in your Nimue Share folder. Have a look, have a wander. If you're looking for something and you're just not finding it, don't hesitate to give us a call, and we'll be delighted to help you. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.